Hey, my name's James Nicholson and welcome to my channel. This is a big update on the channel. I want to talk to you about what we've got planned for the channel in the next few weeks and months. It's going to be some big changes there that I'm sure you will like. What's going on at the moment? What are our targets? What are our plans? And a lot more besides that. So we started this channel around 1.5 to 2 years ago now. And it's a lot of work. There's a lot of work involved in the channel. You'll have seen in the time that we've launched this channel, maybe you've watched YouTubers that have come and gone. In fact, when I meet you guys out and around, you guys tell me lots of channels that you did like disappear, and you're really impressed by the consistency that we have. Because we launched a video on this channel most days. And initially when we started, we just did weekdays and excluded the weekends. Then we started doing them on weekends as well, because the views dropped off a cliff on the weekend. And with the YouTube algorithm, you've got to keep feeding it with content or it doesn't give you any more viewers. And so I launched this channel to hold myself accountable. You see, I've been a property investor since 1999. I bought my first studio flat then, which I converted into a 1-bedroom flat. As that went up with the market, I was kind of an accidental landlord then, but I wanted to be a property investor. I started to learn about it, took out some equity, bought some properties in Hastings, bought some more properties in Dorking, bought some properties up north. And then when COVID hit, I decided that, you know what? Things can be taken away from us very, very easily. I have a business as well. I have a marketing agency, and that business went really quiet during the pandemic. And so I was thinking at the time, what would happen if something happened to me? My girls, my daughters, I've got 2 daughters, Georgia and Amelie, they wouldn't be able to take on my marketing agency, but they would be able to work on my property stuff. So I decided to have a focus on building them a property portfolio as well. And the point of this channel initially was just to hold myself accountable to be doing more property stuff and documenting things along the way, and then build those 2 girls a property portfolio as well, which we're doing quite well with. And so that was why we launched the channel. Then it started to get some momentum. We started to get a few thousand visitors watching the channel every single month. And right now we get 200,000 people watch this channel every single month. Of those, around 150,000 of you are returning people, as in you watch month in, month out, which I really, really appreciate. We've got 22,000 subscribers at the time of recording this, which is insane. And our target for the channel is to get 50,000 subscribers this year and to get 5 million views on the channel. So currently, as we're recording this, we've got 22,000 subscribers and 2.6 million viewers. So we've got to do some more views on the channel to grow that. And what I'm aware of is that because a lot of you return to this channel, the content for you might not be so relevant all the time. Because let's just say you're someone that watches the channel, you get your interest rate fixed, then why would you come back to the channel? Maybe you're interested in the topic and what's going on. Maybe you're a portfolio landlord. I don't know. But that means that I need to have some content that will bring you back. And so what we're looking to start, we started yesterday already, was the fact that we want to now make sure that we've got additional content for you guys. And so what I'm going to do is this will be harder because it's a lot of work to do this content, but every day I'm going to bring you the new stuff, right? As we have done for a long, long time now. We're going to bring you the news on interest rate, house prices, what's going on in the market. Now, what I could do with is some asking you guys that do watch on a regular basis. Some people misunderstand that news content because one day I'll be saying house prices are up. Next time I'll be saying they're down. I always say in that content very clearly what the data source is. They're not really my opinion, those news videos. They're what's happening in the market. So if Rightmove says house prices are up, I'll tell you Rightmove are saying house prices are up. If Nationwide say house prices are down, I'll tell you Nationwide are saying house prices are down. So that market at the moment is quite flat. And so there are ups and downs. And it'll be great if you guys could help me eliminate some of the troll comments when you see them, just saying, look, this is a news video, right? So they will stick. Next is what I want to bring into this is more educational content. So I want to talk to you about strategy, and I want to talk to you about what strategies are working. I've got a quite diverse portfolio. I've tried different strategies. I invest in different areas. So I've got property in Dorking, in Hastings, London, and in Doncaster as well. And so I've got houses, I've got flats, different strategies that I use on those: serviced accommodation, I've got social housing, I've got normal vanilla buy-to-lets and stuff like that. And so my goal with this is to bring you every day, where possible, some education as well. And so the education videos will be in the morning around about 11 o'clock. We're trying the times out to see what works best. YouTube is a funny little beast. You've got to test stuff and see what works better for your channel. So we're going to try content around 11 o'clock for the education stuff. It doesn't matter if you're not online at 11, whenever you are, that will show up in your feed. Then we're also going to try the new stuff, keeping that at 8 o'clock as we do each day as well. Then what I'm also going to add to this, and this will start with one video per day, but I'm going to try and do more, is some shorts content. And that's a fairly new thing on YouTube. And it's something that we'll also take that content onto TikTok and onto Instagram. I think it's good to repurpose that content. And that's short content under a minute, where we just tell you this is what's going on. I know some of you don't like the long drawn out content, and so this will give you a short punchy thing. Hey, look, interest rates are down, this is why, and get that into a minute. And so you've got that content that we're going to look to layer onto this as well. Then our longer term plan is to create more education resources. So we have something already, the fundamentals of property investing, which was crazy how popular that was. Not actually thousands, hundreds of people genuinely purchased that. It was cheap. It was like less than 30 quid. And since then we've launched a lease option accelerator. We've had a serviced accommodation accelerator, and we're going to have some more products, and they're going to be affordable. I'm well aware that there's lots of people that charge £1,000, £2,000, £10,000 for training courses. Everything that we do will be under £200, and a lot of it will be under £100 as well. And so we're going to be launching those throughout the year, so keep an eye on that. So that's basically what's going on. In summary, we're going to launch more content. News will be in the evening, 8 o'clock. Education will be in the morning at 11 o'clock. Shorts will be added to that with quick summaries as well. We've got more training programs that will be affordable training programs, not mentoring that's 20 grand and all that kind of stuff that everybody else does. I want to make it affordable to the masses. And so hopefully you'll join us on this journey. And I want to get to know more of you guys. 150,000 of you watch this channel every single month. And that's returning visitors. 200,000 people. So we've got 50,000 new people coming in every month. 150,000 returning people. Look, I want to get 50,000 subscribers. So if you're one of those people lurking, just subscribe right now. Do me a favor, hit the bell notification, and go and check out some more content on my channel, including this video right here.